Prathamatharanam all entrance questions and answers. One, what is the translation cum grammar method? Answer, the method is also as a classical method. It is the oldest method and came into India with the Britishers. It has no psychological base but has two main philosophical bases. What is philosophical basis? Answer, these are grammar is the heart and soul of the language. A foreign language can be easily learned through translation. As a matter of fact, this method has been followed everywhere, especially where the necessary of learning a second language other than the mother tongue of regional language has been felt. 3. The textbook occupies an important place in this method because there is provision rules of grammar, each lesson with some new words, enough reading materials, specific graded vocabulary. Using this method, the teacher starts with the meaning of words, translating them into mother tongue. She also explains the meaning of the words and phrases. What is the advantages? This method saves teachers labor. It is convenient and easy for the teacher to make their pupils understand the English language through this method. The unit of teaching is word and not sentence. Third, it is convenient for the teachers because methods aid is not needed. IV. This method can easily used even in the other crowded classroom. It explains grammatical rules, therefore it gives correct knowledge of English. 6. Rules of grammar can be taught easily with the help of grammar of native language. 7. People reading in Hindi medium schools find it easier to learn English through this method. 8. The method is very useful in developing the art and skill of translation. It is based on the principle of from known to unknown. Children usually start learning a foreign language when a sufficient background in their mother tongue is prepared. They also begin to understand sentences and structures in their mother tongue. A translation from the foreign language into the mother tongue enables the learners to develop their vocabulary very rapidly. This is the easiest way of expanding vocabulary. ପିଲାମାନେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଯଦି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥାଏ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ, ସେୟାର କରିବେ। ବହୁତ ନମସ୍କାର।